Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eagle IFX. If you're new here, remember to like and also to subscribe to our channel. So guys, in today's video, I want to talk to you about one mistake that you can make in your trading career. And this mistake is not sticking to your plan, all right? It's a mistake that I committed last week on Friday and it really costed me dearly. And I want to show you what actually happened and the result of not sticking to your plan. So I was on NSD card, New Zealand versus the Canadian dollar. I saw an opportunity here. New Zealand versus NSD card was making lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So I was expecting NSD card to make maybe another lower low, and then lower high, something of the sort. All right. So now I saw that movement of NSD card. Let me remove this quickly. So I saw what NSD card was doing, and I decided that I think I must look for selling opportunities. All right, because of the way the market was behaving, I knew that I should look for selling opportunities. Okay, so I can come here, took my trend line, take your trend line and draw a line there like that. So you can see that currently the market was maybe was going to test maybe this zone here and that level there. Let's make this yellow again. All right, so these are all places that the market can go up to. That's another one there, then that's another one there. Okay, that's another one right there. Okay, so what did I do? I went down to the 4 hours time frame, and from the 4-hour time frame you can see that it's a bit more clearer. So let me take my trend line again. Let's draw another trend line here, somewhere around there like that. Remember, trend line don't have to be perfect. Just draw something that makes sense to you. All right, just draw something that makes sense to you. Okay, all right. And then what happened? So that was that, and then you can see that there is this there was this zone here. Okay, there was that zone there, right there. Okay, so I went further down to the 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame I noticed something. First of all, let me remove this because I didn't draw that. So I saw this, I drew another one here, a trend line there, and another trend line there, because I saw it forming something almost like a flag. Right, so it's like an inverted flag. What do I mean by that? That is a pole, and then that is the flag. So the market was coming down and then started forming this. So I was expecting the market to break, because it was already on a downward trend, to break and retest and then continue going down. Okay, so now I was waiting for it. Always be patient. So let's see how it went. So I saw that. So the market broke, but I did not enter immediately. Okay, all right, great. So that was an opportunity to enter, but still I did not enter at that particular time. I wanted to see something. That's beautiful. Then the market came back again. All right, great. So now you can see something here. So I came here and drew some sort of like a zone here. Okay, I drew like a zone there, and then you can see that I drew my zone there like that. Okay, and then what happened? Let me change this color so you can be able to distinguish it and make it a bit more bolder like that. Fantastic. So when I saw this, so this was a breakout, and then this was a rejection, right, or a retest. So I was expecting the market to continue going down. So what did I do? I took my short position tool, okay, and then I place it there. All right, when this candle when it closed, I place it there, and then I put, this was the recent low, so I put my stop loss just above there, above this recent low, recent high, sorry, and then I targeted 3 times. So normally I risk 1% to make 3%. I normally use a 1:3 RR. Okay, so that was a 1:3 RR. Okay, so now I want to show you something very interesting. So that was it. Okay, so that is normally how I normally do my plan. But now amazingly, and this is now what I want to talk about in this video. When I go back to the 4-hour time frame, okay, I want to show you something. So this market had already reached here. This market had already reached this this particular low here, right? You can see that the market had come there before, then went back. So actually drew that there. Then I was expecting that the market will fall all the way up to here, this low here. All right. Now, so, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. You must always stick to your plan. You must always stick to your plan. Okay, no matter what, you must always stick to your plan. So this is the normal plan. This is my normal plan, 1:3 RR. But what I did is I took my tool, I placed it there, then put my stop loss just there, the same. Then I targeted this this place here. This was 5.39 RR. And then now I want to play and show you. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour, and then I'll show you what actually happened. Okay, so, and remember, I'm talking about the mistake of not sticking to your plan. So always stick to your plan. If your plan is 1:3, when it is 1:3, leave the market. If your plan is 1:2, so stick to your plan. So this is my normal plan, and this is what I did, because I was thinking that the market would come all the way down here. So let's play it and see what happened. So the market actually came and it reached my 3 RR. Okay, but what did I do? Instead of me exiting the market, I thought that the market would come all the way here. So what happened? The market reversed. Do you see? And the market reversed and reversed and reversed, and it came all the way to hit my stop loss. All right. Meanwhile, I could have just stuck to my plan, exit at the 3 RR, but instead I thought that the market would come down all the way and hit here 5 RR. And what did I do? I did not stick to my plan, and it really costed me. So let me show you what happened. So this was a trade. You can see I took the trade on 18th. That was on Friday. Okay, and this was NSD card, and you can see that it closed on the 21st as negative 542.35. So what am I teaching today? Today I'm teaching on sticking to your plan. If your plan is 1:2, stick to that plan. If your plan is 1:3, stick to that plan. If your plan is 1:1, stick to that plan. And the moment it hits your reward, or if you risk 1% to make 2%, the moment it hit 2%, please leave the market immediately or something. But if you think that the market will go to your direction, then you might be surprised at what happened to me here. And you can see that the market actually came all the way to my 3% and then went back to hit my stop loss. So guys, today's video, this is a mistake that I made and I decided to share with you. I know most teachers, most Forex gurus and everything, they will not show you their losses, they only show you their profit. But here I came to show you today that their losses, and this is if you don't stick to your plan, if you don't stick to your strategy, you will see that the market will always take you out. Okay, I know that as you follow through to your plan, you will see profits, you will see growth in your account, you will see growth even in your trading career and journey. Okay guys, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching our videos today. Remember to like and to subscribe. Remember, we have a free Telegram group whereby you can join and get free signals. Also, we have a VIP, a premium group. If you want to join, you can always click the link for both the free and the VIP is on the description below. So thank you so much. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.